Hey, I'm Juan.
Hi, I'm Ava, and these are our dogs, Daisy and Cooper.
Hi, and I'm Bettina.
I'm walking this morning to see the pets. And lo and behold, who do I find at 9 a.m. in the morning petting these wonderful animals? My fabulous wife. Hey, buddy. So we're here at the Amish. I don't know if you can read that. It says the Amish Farm and House. Tina and Ava are already in. Look at these beautiful flowers. The Amish are so immaculate with their construction and just their care for everything they build. It's really exemplary. Like, it's so impressive. I didn't really know this around the Amish, but like everything they do seems to be very impressive as far as I can tell. All right, let's go into the back.
That's about all we got this morning.
And this is the first time I ever met anybody who does YouTube.
Right. You'll get to me too. And you were on a YouTube
This
video.
well is way down there. Look how deep that is. I don't know if you can see that.
I don't know whose video it was. It was in somebody's video.
This person passed.
The well's about 34 feet.
What's that? Hey, I'm like, I don't know. Rewind it. She reminded me.
We're gonna go in the summer kitchen.
Somebody's video.
Hi, there's a second YouTuber I get. What are you doing, Em? I'm Gina.
They got behind this ago. They're still over there. You guys be able to walk around there?
We just got here just a few minutes ago. Go on, take a few minutes. Basically, we started watching her stuff up in this area. Okay. And then we never hit.
This is cool. And this connects. I think it connects to that. No, actually, I think it doesn't. Tobacco.
Have you seen the baby goats? Down in the meadow there, past the barn, there are 10 baby goats.
Oh, I've got to see it. Thank you very much.
A buggy. You see these driving around Lancaster all the time. They seem so incredibly practical and so incredibly efficient. Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. Hey, buddy.
This is where this is their shelter, and then they can go up the bridge.
Oh, they can go up that all the way around, pop, 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 and come hang out here. Oh, y'all are mountain goats. That is our symbol. The mountain goat ninjas.
Ava, scooter.
Oh, an Amish scooter?
Amish scooter.
Oh, these are cool.
Are we taking a scooter? Do we just take it? They have brakes, yeah.
Okay.
All right, then.
All right, Ava.
All right, I'll take a cycle one, I guess.
They look like they do.
I'm not sure the brakes really work.
Go, Ava, go.
Scooter ain't the best. Not to be picky, but it doesn't really scooter. Careful, the brakes might not work. It's making a noise. Here they come. Yay! Liz.
27 is pretty ancient.
Really?
Usually late teens, early 20s is pretty typical. Mid 20s is not unheard of.
It looks like it's
But
in great
their
shape.
Late 20s or 30s is pretty old.
Somebody forgot to tell him.
Yeah. He looks
I
like he's in
think
great
that may
shape.
have been what happened. Fiona, the stereotype with the chestnuts is that they are redheaded women. And so Fiona has her own opinions, and she says, I will be beautiful if I want to be beautiful.
Uh,
Yeah.
hello, guys. What are y'all up to?
Oreo,
Yeah.
the mini pig,
Uh-huh.
his sense of smell is 2,000 times more powerful than yours.
Whoa, 2,000?
I think
Bro.
that's why they have pigs hunt for truffles.
His nails are 2,000 times longer than mine, too.
Oh, wow.
Dang, look at those things.
Somebody cut that.
We might need to cut them.
She's a rescue, so we had to take a lot of time to get her to a healthy weight and get her friendly enough to look.
Oh.
Because otherwise pigs will charge and attack people.
Oh,
So it's not safe for us to have a professional, and obviously if the pig is not so it takes us a little bit of time, but we have her scheduled. She's out. She'll get her in.
Oh, honey, you're getting a manicure in 2 weeks. Did you learn how to be nice?
She says yes, and now I am the friendliest piggy alive.
Oh, she's probably grateful.
Yeah, whoever had her before was not very kind to her, so it certainly took some time.
that's a yard. Yard.
Lumber yard, yeah.
Lumber
Oh
yard.
my goodness.
Holy
look how
moly,
many
in the middle of
trees
all
there
these
are.
farms.
They're huge.
The Amish are going to go to town on this.
Is this what they used to build their houses with?
This is what I wonder. I would say so, but I don't really. Oh,
Well,
look at
how
those
the
pieces.
square mouth.
Wow.
Wow, I don't know if you can tell.
Oh, that's what they turn it into right there.
No, that's got to be from the leftover. Oh, over here to the left.
Yeah.
And then they build houses from it. Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it's a nice wood smell. Beautiful pieces.
Is this what happens when you follow the trees?
Go Pennsylvania.
We're just outside of Holland, Pennsylvania.
Holland, Pennsylvania.
New Holland. The Jersey cows are so happy. We're going to Dutch Country Farms to get milk, raw milk, cheese, cream, butter, all of our dairy stuff. I'm so excited.
Oh, it's very exciting.
We're 5 minutes away.
What a difference in dairy products between here and everywhere else. My goodness.
Oh my goodness. There's so many Dutch. I feel like I'm Dutch. Amish, I feel like I'm like, or Mennonites. Ready to run them over?
Something.
That is a pretty donkey.
Oh,
Horse poop. There's definitely more Amish than English. Americans are like non-Amish.
this is true.
And Mennonites. Okay, turn right here. Oh,
Okay.
there's a dairy. We're in dairy season. Or dairy town. Ooh, blueberry cheesecakes.
Oh, you can get tomatoes, blueberry
Yeah.
cheesecake, meadow tea, strawberry lemonade.
Oh, do you want? Let's support the local. Well, we gotta go to the thingy.
Da, da, da,
The
da,
Whoopi
da,
Fly
da.
Fridge.
Oh, Man, look at these tomatoes.
Do we have cash?
I can get a tomato for 50 cents? Holy moly.
Do we have cash?
Look at these tomatoes for 50 cents. Oh, it smells delicious. This is
Okay,
a
get a
lovely
tomato.
tomato. My mom will be so jealous.
Wet bottom shoe fly pie. We'll have to get, I don't know what that is.
Okay.
We can't have any more jam until we eat the jam we have.
I agree with that
Frozen
statement.
sourdough and Italian bread.
Hi. Gonna grab some tomatoes from you. Lovely
These
tomatoes.
from the basket?
Huh?
From the basket?
No, they were not.
They were from.
Oh, yes, they were. Yes,
at
they
the
were.
bottom.
They were from the basket.
We're gonna get one of these.
Ooh, is that a little
My
pie?
daughter is wanting the cheesecake. Do you have cheesecake?
I can ask.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll ask.
Oh, that's
Okay.
that's the blueberry shortcake
Thank you.
cups. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that
Strawberry
looks delicious.
lemonade.
Can I get? Let's get 2 of those. I have a
Well,
feeling.
here, taste it first.
I have a feeling we'll. Oh, hello, buddy. How are you?
Okay.
What's
All
going
right.
on over here, honey?
See this?
Wait, hold on a second. I gotta get up close so people can see what it is.
See that?
What is that?
You're done. Done.
Okay, we need a up close. Take it out real quick.
Because I was trying to hook it on there,
Uh-huh.
and then it would break and peel. So I'm hoping that this will work better. So you just take it and you just go, you just take it, whatever is in your
Uh-huh.
hand, and poof, stick it in there. Done.
Man,
So I'm gonna do another one. That's more for like
that's a
microfiber
that's. I feel like
stuff.
that's a great little hack.
Yeah, so that's the one that we're using now. So I'm gonna put
Lovely.
another one on. I need
Oh,
glasses.
lovely. Where are you putting that one?
Oh, look what I did today.
Oh yeah, let's show.
Added wallpaper.
Little wallpaper there. So
Uh-huh.
things that Bettina's done in the past that look really fabulous. Let's look at the flowers. Aren't those pretty? Really are pretty. Isn't this pretty? And let's see what's gonna look like. Look at that.
No, that's too long.
Takes literally no space. Right there.
Okay, you can do
no
it, right?
hook. Oh, absolutely.
All right, you can do it. I
Lovely.
believe in you.
Oh, that's amazing.
And then you put up. Okay.
Be with the sunrise, the songbird in the light.